Meaning of developmentally.
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 Developmentally. Developmentally refers to the process of growth or advancement in a particular area, such as cognitive or physical development. It indicates that something is related to or influenced by an individual's stage of development. For example, developmentally appropriate toys for babies stimulate their senses and promote motor skills. Developmentally sensitive teaching methods take into account the varying needs and abilities of students at different stages of development. Overall, the term developmentally highlights the importance of understanding and addressing the unique characteristics and needs of individuals at different stages of growth and development.